Hi, ACHY Dad here. I'm fat. Before.
What, you can put it on the pizza?
I'm 195. They should be 175. No editing there. I'll do my before. But I could do this. Before, after. But it's still before. So I'm not going to pull any punches. I'm going to do both. Before, after. Did you want to see that again?
Please.
So I was always 180, 185. My doctor's like, you could lose 5 or 10 pounds. 195, never. I'm about 19 pounds over. It's COVID-19. And in 19 weeks, I could lose a pound a week, which is sane. Oh, I should also say I'm walking around like a 54-year-old who doesn't exercise. I'm like, oh, that hurts. I have to pick that thumbtack up. I get in the car and I'm like, a Corolla. Who got a Toyota Corolla? So small. But I can still do things. I just can't do, like, I can open the jar that no one else can, but it almost kills me now. It almost kills me because I've not been exercising this.
It more like kills us when he tries to open a jar and it takes 1,000 hours.
I haven't been doing push-ups, sit-ups, pull-ups. I've been doing kid-ups. Oh! A kid, 50 pounds. Oh! And I walk about 2 miles a day at work. And I have generally good genes. And do projects around the house. My cholesterol, is that what it was? Is my doctor's like, 40? It's not too high, but you should start taking statins. I'm like, what do you think I am, 54? And eating bacon out of shape? I don't need statins. Oh, wait. I am eating bacon in the morning. Breakfast sandwiches, they're killing me. Donuts, the 50-cent donuts that are a day old. Yes. School lunch, fattening. Double dinners. Yeah, so do I need
Can
statins?
I add palming cheese straight out of the package in the refrigerator?
Palming cheese? Oh, like, yeah, I don't drink milk, so that's my calcium excuse.
Good one. Nothing. I think that's...
Seafood.
Oh, seafood.
What is seafood, honey?
Seafood is when you see food and then you put it in your mouth and swallow it. Just
Like,
because you see it.
No, like it's the chicken's in front of you, so you're having chicken skin.
Are you talking about
Yeah.
seafood?
Yeah.
Or the other type of seafood, the food that comes from the sea, not your eyeballs.
Not that kind.
I feel like the king, the older king. I could get up and go to battle, but I don't want to. I'll be on the couch. But if I could, I would still be good for at least 10 minutes. But, but I have battle scars. Here's one. I had a cervical back problem. I lost 20% of the muscle back here in this arm. 20%. So I really don't want to make this. Do I have to keep making this video, honey? Yes.
This one can be over, but we've got 18 more to go.
Follow along. 19 videos. 19 pounds. COVID-19. 19 weeks. Of course, it's a silly mission around New Year's to do a weight loss series, but I'm going to do it. Even if I fail, I'll make 19 videos, even if I go up 19 pounds. How about that?
You're a man of your word.
I'm a man of my word. First step, haircut and beard. That's a few pounds. So, wish me luck. 19 pounds, 19 weeks.
And
COVID-19.
Good luck!
And never make YouTube videos in a bathroom with the door open.
Good sound advice.
one gluten-free frozen pizza for the 4 of us. Can we at least load it with more mozzarella? There we go.
The
Could eat one of
pizza
those.
itself has in a serving, as you can see, you might want to include this in your video, 12 grams of protein in 1/5 of this, and 26 grams of fat in 1/5 of this. So really, if we were paying attention to our bodies, I think that we wouldn't need more than one big piece of this pizza for each of us.
I've done gone to hell. Half a bagel. Who eats only half a bagel? Me this morning.
Hold on, this is gonna, remember? This is how I usually do it. It's usually the whole thing yourself.
What I find most annoying about this whole midlife 50s metabolism malarkey is that lying on the couch, like I am now, doesn't seem to give me energy. But logically, resting should give me energy. If I eat food, which is energy, and then I rest, I should have more energy. I think in physics it's the law of conservation of energy. An isolated system has the same amount of energy. So I should rest, is what I think, and I'll have more energy. What seems to be true is that the laws of physics as we know it in this world I find myself are such that I must, in order to get energy now, starve myself and 3 days a week pretend a tiger is chasing me and run for 20 minutes until I'm panting. If I do these 2 things, it's pretty much proven I'll get energy. It just violates everything in the universe that this is the world that I face. Okay, get out of here. Week 1 is over of losing 19 pounds in 19 weeks. From 195-ish to 175-ish, or 6. It's Sunday morning, I'm tired, and I've not eaten. And I've completely gone to the bathroom as many times as I can. I've not had my coffee. This is the lightest I'll probably be all day. And I'm going to see if I've lost 8 pounds from 175 to 174. That was a wishful psychological slip. 195 to 194. Thank you, honey. The scale is here that I'm avoiding. This is kind of how I feel because I went skating yesterday, so I'm incredibly sore. But if I let my stomach go, it still does this. Maybe it's less. I'm going to do this each week. I kind of feel like I'd walk around like this. And I could do this. And I'm going to do this each week too because I think it shows how you can fake being in shape. And those videos with before and after always have the person before like, passed out in a lawn chair. And then after they're like, and now I'm like this. And they didn't do this with the before. And they should. So my before would be, how thin can I get to lean back? I'm very thin. So this week I'm going to name the Logger Week. The Logger Week is because to lose a pound, which I think I've done, all I had to do was not eat like a logger. Now I may look like a logger, thank you very much, but I work on computers, so I lift mice. They're called mice, but they're lighter than mice, I think. Easier to lift. So I get up in the morning and I often want a lager breakfast. And so I get a sausage, egg, and cheese with extra cheese on a croissant with a donut and some coffee because I'm going logging and eat a 4,000 calorie breakfast. But then I don't go logging, I sit down and I tap. Are you like this one? I tap on the computer keys, right? And I have more coffee, so I get thirsty. And so my lunch, I need a lager lunch. I haven't hydrated, I'm over caffeinated. Yeah, and then by dinner, I have to eat a lot of food because that's what loggers do to get ready for the next day. So this week, I just didn't overeat. I also had celery once when I was going to have cheese. I had cheese the other times. But I had celery once, and I thought celery could do this. When I was a wrestler, celery, they told us to eat tomatoes and celery as much as we wanted because they take more energy to digest than they give you in weight. So you can eat as much tomatoes and celery as you wish. I don't like tomatoes, but celery I could eat. Celery salt comes from celery. And celery salt is used instead of nitrates in meat. So celery can be like meat because it is a meat additive.
I like your food math there.
Okay, are you ready for the big number? First, we'll see if the scale is zeroed. We'll see how our cat is stressed out. Is our cat stressed out? Not likely. How much do you weigh, onion? You little dog cat, how much do you weigh? How much do you weigh? Okay, let's see. You weigh about 10 pounds, 9 pounds.
Fluffy past my fluffy. Your turn.
Oh, my feet. I'm sorry, it's COVID. I didn't even fix my feet after they were disgusting in the last video, so here they are again. Because I don't care. What's the damage?
Looks like 192.
How about if I lean forward on the scale? I'm just
192 and a half.
193. Yes! I'm going to say it's a pound, even though it's over. I just want to say these scales and the way bodies work, 192, 193. In another minute, I'll be 190, 195 again. And then, after breakfast and the coffee hits, I'll be 190. Good?
Yeah.
Do you certify a pound?
I certify a pound.
Okay, on to
Stamp.
Stamp. On to next week, where every Sunday I will be posting these by Sunday night. So I'll post week 2.
It's the shower. It's okay.
I think it's the cat. The cat couldn't get to its
couldn't-
litter box.
Couldn't get to the litter
Why does
box.
our shower just suddenly pee?
It does that every time. No one knows. It's a mystery of shower nature.
All right,
Bye.
stay hungry out there.